Finance example 9. So when they say that's not bad, they're referring to example 8, where the person earned $87,000, $87,051.98 in 40 years, and they were saying that's really not enough to retire on. So they were saying that we probably need to deposit a little bit more. So this is the same setup as the other. So they are depositing this time $200. Okay, and our rate is still going to be 0.055, and we're still making monthly deposits. And our time is still going to be 40 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and put that into our formula. Oops. Okay, and again, if you do not have the fraction bar in your calculator, you are going to need additional parentheses. Okay, and some of us like to go ahead and multiply our n times the t. It's up to you. So go ahead and stop the video and make sure that you can put this in your calculator, and you should end up with $348,207.92. Well, that's a little bit better, isn't it? Okay. So again, how much interest have you earned? Well, you're depositing $200 every 12 months for 40 years. So let's figure out how much you're putting away. And that will give us $96,000. Good for you. So I want you to look at this. This is all the money that you put in the account. This is how much you end up with. So what is the difference there? Well, the difference is going to be the interest. So $348,207.92 minus our $96,000. It's going to give us $252,207.92.